welcome back to my channel. So today is August 12th or 13th. I don't know what today is, but it's like 5:20 right now. We're about to be. I have to start cooking spaghetti because tonight I'm going over my brother's house and we're having a bonfire. Me, my siblings, my cousins, we're all going there, including some friends of, like, you know, my other family members and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a good night. We're all bringing different dishes of food. I'm bringing spaghetti. My brother, he's gonna bring like chips and dip. People gonna bring fruit, everything else, y'all. So we're also gonna be playing games too. We're gonna play games, drink, eat, literally just have a good time. And I think we're gonna do s'mores too. So yeah, so the reason why I had to start cooking now, because people are not gonna start going over to my brother's house until like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. But it's only like 5 something right now. But the reason why I'm gonna cook right now is because I'm gonna go over my cousin's house and hang out with my friend Marlene. And we're just gonna chill and everything. And that's gonna be around 7. And I'm probably gonna take like an hour to cook and everything, and I also want to get ready, find what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, I gotta get to cooking because it's probably gonna take me like an hour. So I already got the groceries, they're right here. This thing was $20, 4 pounds, $20. That's crazy. The sauce, I got this, and I also got 2 sauces. I got green peppers and onions, and of course noodles. Okay, I'm gonna use this pan with this pot for the noodles, and then I'm gonna use this for the meat. I'm about to rinse these out though. And I did wash my hands. Before doing this. So make sure you always wash your hands before you cook. Try it. Y'all not gonna believe what I found. I gotta wash it out. But y'all, this can fit all the fucking meat. Oh my goodness. About to transfer the meat over to the big pan. Move the big pan over. Get all the seasoning. Put water in this bowl right now. So the noodles. Cutting board too. Y'all see, I'm trying to do a lot of things at once. That's because it's 5:32. So I broke all the noodles up and I put them in the water. And so right now I'm just breaking down the meat more, about to season it a bit more, and then I'm about to cut the vegetables. And yeah, and then I will be done. Okay, you guys, so my phone died, so I had to charge it up. I think the last time I recorded, I was cutting up vegetables, but I cut up the onions, green peppers. I had it simmer and like cooking the meat, you know, for a while before I drained the water. So the next time you see me, hopefully I'll just be done with everything because I gotta do this. But it's 6:21, so I still have time. So yeah, I just need to get. So yeah, I am on my way to my cousin's house right now. I just got done getting ready. I got on this Barbie shirt, and I also matching it with my Barbie pants, the pink ones. I also have on sandals, but I did bring my work shoes just in case, so you know I don't get itchy and everything with my feet in the grass. So yeah, so I should be at my cousin's house in like 8 minutes or so, 8-9 minutes. And I'm gonna chill with my friend Marlene. We're just gonna chill, you know, talking everything. I forgot my bottle, my liquor bottle. I'm pretty upset about that. I'm thinking about turning around and get it. Or I'll just tell my brother to bring it. Yeah, I'm gonna tell my brother to bring the bottle with him because I'm not turning back around. I'm not doing all that. I'm just ready to relax with my family. I'm ready to eat, you know what I'm saying? Play games, drink, you know what I'm saying? I go back to work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna spend the rest, you know, of my weekend just with my family, having a good time.
Too much pain. I'm like fame, fast lane. I've been moving like it's the game, but I trust myself. Try and test the wealth. All
right, you're not.
4 inches isn't that much. That's like this. That's not 4.
Don't get into that. You leave it up in the streets for me. I ain't trying to go to jail. Keep mentioning my name and all of your posts. They hard to tell. You don't